I've debadged the car. I'll go over all that. We're just going to go to a local car show in Finleyville at Mineral Beach. I'm going to take the car there. We'll film a point of view, see if that works out on my new tripod that I'm still learning. I'm probably not going to get on the car or anything like that. Just a normal drive to the car show. And then my intention is to snap some pictures of cars there and put them in this video. Okay, we'll do a cold start here and then back out. For some reason, Apple weather is always a mess for me. It's showing that it's not going to rain, but I sure hope it keeps up. That person was cutting their grass and they didn't cut for like 3 weeks, and now they blow all the dry grass clippings all over everybody driving by. Is going in a few weeks up to American Muscle Performance, which has a shop in Charleston, West Virginia, and one in Florida. I go to the Charleston, West Virginia. I have the car trailer there, and it's doing a whole 8-rib conversion with a smaller upper pulley. That comes with a new water pump, and you have the